Hello everyone, once again my name is Alicia Jacinto. For today's lecture I will be discussing blended learning in the classroom. I will be defining blended learning, providing some examples, presenting different challenges, and sharing different functions from the Smithsonian Learning Lab as a resource for blended learning. First of all, what is blended learning? The article Using Blended Learning, Evidence-Based Practices has Hornstein defined blended learning as any time a student learns at least part at a supervised brick-and-mortar location away from home and at least in part through the internet with some element of student control over time, place, and/or pace. It is important to understand that blended learning is not the same as technology integration, but that it involves a connection between online work at home and in the classroom. Any time that a student learns away from home through technology is blended learning. Blended learning ultimately blends online and personal learning. So now I will discuss some of the benefits of blended learning. One of the benefits is that it frees up time for interaction between students inside of the classroom. It also allows more time for in-class activities and in-class concept participation. And it really allows students who need more time to process to gather their thoughts. Online platforms can also give students more time to share their thoughts that they wouldn't share inside of a classroom. Students can also review the material at home or in the classroom if need be. So now I am going to explore an example provided by Spanaway Elementary School. Spanaway Elementary School entered a blended learning program that brought 10 computers to the classroom. Currently, they are using Dreambox technology to provide instruction, but also for lessons and games that help students master skills. It is not just a means of direct instruction, but it provides extra practice for students. Children at Spanaway Elementary School learn how to surf the internet, type properly, and research from an early age. Chloe, a 4th grader at Spanaway Elementary School, states that it really helps us learn while we're playing games. Nikki Mesa, teacher at Spanaway Elementary School, also explains that the computer is teaching them, but it is more enforcing what is already being taught in the classroom. Lastly, I will be discussing blending learning with the Smithsonian Learning Lab. For this week, we were required to explore blended learning through the Smithsonian Learning Lab, and I had mixed feelings about it. However, the best part of the Smithsonian Learning Lab was that teachers could use it as a resource for students in the classroom. I explored a collection of one teacher titled Key Moments in World War II, What Makes You Say That? I divided the teaching collection in 4 parts. The first part, Description of the Course, allows the teacher to provide a brief description of the course. This course in particular also states that it is made for an age level of middle school students. The second part of the assignment provides images and discussion questions. In this instance, relating to the Japanese foreign minister aboard the USS Missouri at the end of World War II. The third part, Reflection, provides an excerpt that prompts the students to reflect on the image. The fourth part provides additional questions for the students after reading the excerpt. I like this portion of the website because it allows the teacher to create an assignment, create a roster, and monitor the students' progress. And that concludes our presentation. Thank you.